Hello my dear students, now is your SST class and today I will discuss about the revolt of 1857. So all of you listen very carefully. The revolt of 1857 was the first war of Indian independence. The cause of the revolt of 1857. Number 1. Indians were dissatisfied with the British rule. Number 2. There was a point of caste pollution. The British introduced the new Enfield rifle to the Indian soldiers. The cartridges for the rifle have to be beaten off before use. A rumor spread that the cartridges with fat from beef and pork. It hits the religion feeling about Hindus and Muslims. The Indian soldiers refused to accept these countries and started the revolt. The revolt began on 10th May 1857. So, the revolt began on 10th May 1857 by the soldiers of the Bengal army at Meerut. The soldiers shoot the British officers and feed their fellow soldiers who were in present then the move toward Delhi. From Delhi, the revolt spread tourist place in India. Soon kings, prince and joined the revolt. The last Mughal emperor Bahadur Shah Jafar became the leader of the struggle. Many great persons like Rani Lakshmi Bai in Jhansi, Tatia Tope in Bundelkhand, Nana Sahib in Kanpur. The Indians was a courageous one. It could not achieve the goal. The revolt was suppressed by the British. There were many causes responsible for the failure of the revolt of 1857. Number 1. The revolt was only localized at limited parts of northern India. South India was totally quit the British, have paid very little residence in the west also. Number 2. There was lack of proper leadership. Number 3. The British force were well organized with advanced equipment. Number 4. Some people are on the side of the British. After the revolt of 1857 was over, the power of the East India Company over India was taken by the British government. India remained in the hands of British and became a British colony. Hope you have understood. So, bye bye all of you.